Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we have another pair of trainers and these ones are from dandyshoes.ru. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now delivery timescales on these trainers were about 14 days all in actually, and that's from the point of them confirming that the item had been posted. So what you do is you find your shoes that you're after, you make your purchase. They'll then send you some QC photos, that's your quality control, quality check. If you're happy, you give them a nod and then they get them posted out to you. So it does come in a standard like bag, and you can actually already see through here it's got the brown box as well, which is what they come in. That's to keep the trainer box itself nice and secure. Now I'm not going to be able to open it with one hand, but I will show you. And actually look, that's the advantage there of having that brown box, because you get holes in them when they're in transit. So if you enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But what I'll do is I'll take this bag off and I'll show you the brown box, what I mean underneath. So this is what I mean now by getting a brown box that's in there. So this keeps the trainer box nice and secure. And there's that hole we spotted earlier. And the reason for turning it around and having the hole at the back there, not down there, is because I've actually undone this side. So you do get tape on both sides, but I've already undone this side so that I can give you the first look at what trainers we have got. So if we do the flap, nearly dropped them. We then have what shoes we've got. Now for people that have been around here a while, you'll know these are not my size. Somebody else. Can't get them out of the box with one hand, but yeah, that shows you the brown box they come in that protects the trainer box. So I'll get them out of this box and I'll show you then the full look at the trainers. I think this is going to be multiple takes actually, because these trainers are in another standard box, which I cannot undo with one hand. There's a slight knock on the corner there and over there, but nothing to really be worried about. Oh, we've lost focus. So what I'll do is I'll open the box and then I'll cut back and show you the first look at the trainers. Wow, that was a good job that I didn't attempt to film that taking that off, because that was stupidly hard. But we'll move them out the way. Oh, we do have some information in here. So there you go, dandyshoe.ru. There's all their contact details, and if you enter the code MatchuCx, which is the name of this YouTube channel, you'll save yourself $15. Doesn't have to be off these trainers, it can be any on their website. I will leave all that information in the description of this video. And there is the first look at our trainers. And I've got to say, I've got a real nice smell to them. But yeah, what we'll do actually, before we take a look, what else is in the bag? So we've got some tags, some additional laces. That is all. What's this? What's this here? Is it a little booklet or something? A little leaflet. All branded as well. Okay, so let's take a proper look at the trainers. Now we'll see what's inside the box. Okay, so we have both the trainers now out of the box, and we'll start with the left one. So you've got some nice strong grip at the bottom. The leather at the top looks absolutely fantastic. The stitching quality is immense, I'm not gonna lie. You've got this like real leather texture there as well. Moving around to the back. The stitching looks on point. A couple of marks there from where it's been in the box. A little loose one there, but nothing to really worry about. Inside the trainer, we do have some paper. It's obviously just for keeping it in shape. And we've got the laces that are in there. That looks so nice. Not something that I'd wear, like I said, they're not for me, for somebody else, but it does look proper nice, I'm not gonna lie. But there's the left trainer. Let's take a look at the right one. Okay, we're back to the right one. So let's just move the left one out the way for a second. And we've got the right one now. So again, stitching all looks lovely. To be fair, that must just be the same as the end one, isn't it, on both sides? You see where the leather's joined there, but nothing really to worry about too much. As I say, they have pushed this paper in really well. I managed to get it out now after making a lot of noise. I do love the feel of that real leather, I'm not going to lie. That looks so nice. Laces all in perfectly. And that's the tag that is on the trainers. Gotta say, real leather trainers do look absolutely perfect. But there they are. And there we have it, our trainers from dandyshoe.ru. I will just throw up again the information, but all that will be in the description of this video, so don't worry too much about that. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. These trainers are lovely, and I've got to say, it's the smell for me. I am a sucker for real leather smell, and these have definitely got it. So yeah, dandyshoe.ru, all the information in the description of the video. Discount code MatchuCx will save yourself $15 at the point of checkout. It doesn't have to be on these trainers, it can be any on their website. So go and take a look and let me know in the comments which ones you take a look at and if you buy any. As we take our final look at these trainers, which are absolutely lovely. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.